Welcome to everyone in my channel. Today's topic is how to make money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has become a popular way for individuals to generate income online by promoting products and earning commissions for successful sales or actions. To succeed in affiliate marketing and maximize your earnings, it is essential to follow a strategic approach. Here is a comprehensive guide on how to make money with affiliate marketing. Number 1. Understand affiliate marketing. Being by grasping the fundamentals of affiliate marketing. In this model, you partner with companies or product creators to promote their offerings. You earn a commission for each sale, lead, or action generated through your unique affiliate link. Number 2. Choose a niche. Select a niche that aligns with your interest, knowledge, and the target audience you want to reach. A focused niche allows you to create relevant content that resonates with your audience. Number 3. Research affiliate programs. Identify reputable affiliate programs within your chosen niche. Look for programs that offer competitive commission, high quality products, reliable tracking system, and good support. Number 4. Build a platform. Create a platform to promote affiliate products. This could be a blog, website, YouTube channel, social media profiles, or a combination of these. Your platform serves as the medium through which you will reach your audience. Number 5. Produce high quality content. Generate valuable content that addresses the needs and interests of your audience. This can include articles, reviews, tutorials, videos, and more. The key is to provide genuine value and establish yourself as a trustworthy authority. Number 6. Incorporate affiliate links. Strategically place affiliate links within your content. Make sure the links are relevant and seamlessly integrated into your content. Avoid overlapping your audience with too many affiliate links. Number 7. Disclose your affiliate status. By transparent with your audience about your affiliate relationship, this builds trust and credibility with your followers. You can include a disclosure statement on your website or within your content. Number 8. Focus on SEO. Implement search engine optimization strategies to increase the visibility of your content on search engines. This can divide organic traffic in your platform, leading to more potential conversions. Number 9, engage with your audience. Interact with your audience through comments, social media, and emails. Addresses their questions, concerns, and feedbacks. Building a community around your content enhance engagement and loyalty. Number 10, test and optimize. Continuously monitor the performance of your affiliate marketing efforts. Track metrics such as clicks, conversions, and earnings. Experiment with different strategies and content types to identify what works best. Number 11, diversify income streams. Explore various affiliate programs and products within your niche. Diversifying your income sources reduces reliance on a single program and winders your potential earning. Number 12, stay updated. Stay informed about industry trends, new products, and changes in affiliate programs. Adapting to the evolving landscape can help you stay competitive and relevant. Number 13, be patient and persistent. Affiliate marketing takes time to yield significant results. Stay patient and persistent, continuously creating valuable content and refining your approach. Number 14, learn from others. Study successful affiliate marketing in your niche, analyze their strategy, content, and audience engagement to gain insight that you can apply to your own efforts. Number 15, legal and ethical considerations. Familiarize yourself with legal and ethical guidelines related to affiliate marketing in your jurisdiction. Ensure that you comply with regulations regarding disclosure and promotional practices. Conclusion. In conclusion, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative way to make money online, but it requires dedication, strategic planning, and consistent effort. By choosing a niche, creating valuable content, building a loyal audience, and selecting the high affiliate programs, you can establish a sustainable source of income through affiliate marketing. Remember, success in affiliate marketing is a journey that requires ongoing learning and adaptation.